Hey YouTube, what's up guys? Got another unboxing for you guys here, man. So let's get into it. So it looks like we've got two boxes in here. That's one box. That's another box. Let's get this out of the way. Here it is. So this one is called the Jackery Solar Generator. Okay. I picked this up on Amazon. They say it's supposed to be good for camping, and I guess it's like kind of like a power pack. You could plug things into it. I guess while you're off grid, and I guess you have to charge it up. So let's see what's in the box. Okay. Yeah, let's open this one first. Alrighty, so there it is, guys. The Jackery Solar Generator. There's another box here. Let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Might be the wire and the plugs and things like that. Okay, so this is unrelated. Not sure why that's in this box. Okay, guys, so here we're going to open it. There's this plastic tab right here. Stick that up there. Okay. Now, oh, it's got a okay. So this bag, this is where the plugs are, right here. These are the plugs that come in. There's a jack right there. Cigarette lighter jack. And this is like the power plug. Let's sit that off here. There's a user's manual that comes with it. Okay. Wow, this thing is small. for the big packaging. It's small. So here it is, guys. Jackery. So there's 1, 2. There's a 12-volt right here. There's a screen, the display. We have, looks like USB imports, and there's another input right there. Hope you guys can see this. Let me get it closer. Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna take a quick look at the manual here. It says charging. Okay, so you can connect this to the solar panels right there. Battery, yep. So this has got to be charged before use. So let's get this thing charged up, guys, and I'll be back. Let you guys know what happened once I get it all situated. So once again, guys, before I go and get it charged up and take a look at it. Jacker is nice and handy. It weighs about 5 pounds. It's under 10 pounds, that's for sure. And we've got this, all the cords right here. So let me get this situated and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, so here's a Jackery. I got it plugged into this TV. So let's see what happened here. This will be the first time I'm trying. Oh, wow. This thing actually works, guys. So as you can see, it's actually powering up this Amazon Fire 24-inch TV right here. So little Jackery is working, guys. So I got it all charged up, and as you can see, let's see, right there, it's at 100%, and yeah, so here's a Fire TV right here, guys. So yeah, actually works, guys. So this is just a follow-up video on the review of the Jackery. It's awesome for camping, you know, off-grid. Highly recommended, guys. Get on out there and grab yourself one of these things right here. Yep, works great so far. So, and you can see you could plug in multiple things to it. All right. So, yep, go get yourself a Jackery. Have a good night, guys. Please like, subscribe to my channel, share, leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. If any one of you guys have one of these, and How long have you had it for? Can you share, your long-term review with us? I will do the same in a few months. So thanks for watching again, guys. Have a good day.